It's time. It's time. It's time. Nature Talk, episode 18. Productivity versus non-productivity. When I got up this morning, I ain't gonna even lie to you. My first thoughts was to just chill and watch season 2 of Snowfall, which is a good show. But then again, my other self told me, which was my strong self, to be productive. Because on Sunday I stayed in all day and I watched the first season of Snowfall. It was a rainy day too. I had no motivation, I ain't gonna lie. But today, I fed into thoughts of me being strong, being productive, and not non-productive. And I'm out here in nature, getting ready to be productive throughout this day, get ready to go get my hair cut. Then I'm gonna go to the library and be productive. And then I'm gonna go throughout the rest of my day. You know, so this ain't gonna be long. Ask yourself today whether am I gonna be productive or I'm going to be non-productive? That's the question that I want you to ask yourself, because that's the question I asked myself this morning. I was this close to just chilling, just chilling. As you can see out here, it's still cloudy. It's been raining for the past, I would say, week or two. It's been rainy weather. Ain't really been too much of nice weather, but you got to keep pressing. You got to keep pressing, because if you can do things during the hard times, in the uncomfortable times, you're pretty much growing your wings to fly during the easy times. So I encourage you today, be productive, be productive, be productive. Because your productivity is only making you stronger, wiser, and better. Because you are successful. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your week. And until next time, it's time. It's time. It's time. Nature Talk, episode 18. Enjoy your day.